Hello, in this video I want to provide the video recording of a brand new cool tool I have just signed up for, and I'm doing it because I simply thought that doing a text review doesn't do the full justice to this really cool tool, which is available at a really low price considering what it actually provides. And here's an example of the text I was able to generate within 2 minutes. And the reason I think this tool is really a tool because it doesn't require you to have Photoshop or any skills to be able to work with graphics in order to generate text just like this one. And let me show you how I've done it. Let me just do some changes here made. And as you can see, using it extremely simple. First you choose what type of image you want to create, and I want to create the image of the text with outline and with the shadows and with everything else. And now let me show you how to actually easily accomplish it. First of all, once I select what type of image I want to create, then I just go and type in my specific message that's going to be a text. Then I choose from the multitude of the options for fonts available, and I choose to use impact. Then you can actually adjust the size of the fonts, and I want to use the 40 pixels. And then you go to the fill type. The fill type provides you with the different options, either the solid color, either you have a split colors, or you have a striped colors. And I think it's very cool because the Web 2.0 is actually moving toward the multiple gradients in your text images. And also I think it's cool because you can actually provide the stripes, which is also started to be used more and more often. And as everybody knows, the great looking text provides for more interactive experience, and it's more pleasant to eye, and people actually drawn to the nice looking text. And here all you have to do is just simply specify what type of colors you want to use. As you can see, picking the color is easy, as simply justifying which one is one of the colors going to be used. Then the second for the gradient, and I'm going to leave these ones. And if you want to use the stripes, you can provide more than one color for the stripes, and obviously it provides you with a little bit different choice. I want to use just the two colors. As an example right here, one color flows into the other one. Then you go in and with the outline, and outline you can specify how thick the outline border should be, which is right here, this black text. And obviously it gives you multiple options once again, which I think is really cool. And let's, for example, set black to 2, and then I want to set to 1, and I want to use a different color. And I want to choose the bright green to make a more fluorescent effect. And I want to go with similar one here. So it should create two different outlines while still keeping within the 3 pixels, but it should create a little bit different effect. Then what we want to do is provide a gloss overlays, and I actually want to create kind of a reflecting text for my image. And as you can see, there is all explanations how to do and how to do it, what it's going to do. Then I'm creating simply a shadow, a light source, choosing, and I'm going to leave all these options at default because this is how I liked it. And once you specified all the settings, all you have to do is just build my creation. And it looks like it's using some Ajax script for processing, and it takes about a few seconds. And once it's done, as you can see, it generated this really nice looking text. Okay, now I want to just change the text, and I want to actually remove that made easy and regenerate it. So you can see how easily it is to actually edit your creation. Voila. And we have our cool looking text. And I actually like this text, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to save it. So this is the part where you created your text, and then you can download it as either PNG, a GIF image, or JPEG image. And I already have downloaded, but let me show you how simple it is. I want to save it as a GIF image, and I'm just going to save it to the disk. And then I'm going to choose the folder location. And right here, I saved it previously. Now I'm just going to overwrite it, which is nice. So what happens next? you can actually, once you saved your creation, you can go to your creations and you can use that specific style. And as you can see, this is my initial creation, this is my second creation. So I can simply choose use style, and I go back to it, and then just build my creation. It recreates based on the settings I used for that specific text. And once again, it's going to take about a minute. Well, it actually takes a few seconds. Then it loaded. But what happens if you don't have any ideas of what you actually want to use? This is where this tool really shines, because many people use this tool and they share the creation gallery. And as you can see, there is a whole bunch of pages already in here. And as you can see, people actually use to create some text images here. So what can I do? I can click on this and then I choose use style. And now it loads it, and I have just borrowed somebody's idea for creating a real nice text. I didn't see any restrictions that I cannot use it. Obviously, I will need to change the text to correspond to mine, to whatever I want to display. But the choice is huge. People are starting signing up for this because it's such a low price for such a great tool. And what you get as a result is collections. Creations gallery is actually getting populated really fast with some really nice looking text which you can utilize, and you can actually implement the ideas provided by other people. And as you can see, the number goes on and on and on, and it's just continuously increasing. Ever since I signed up for this morning, I'm seeing this number growing tremendously as more and more people join. And for example, if you want to actually generate the header for your WordPress blog default template, this is the way to do it. And with only a few minutes that it takes to actually generate this cool text or this cool images, you actually can make your blog to stand out really, really well. So without further ado, if you want to actually see what this is all about, and if you want to sign up and start actually generating your very own cool text, all explanations provided here, and you can either click on the image that I provide with this post and with this video to sign up for it, or you can follow one of the links I provide in the text. Thanks for watching.